10 smart gadgets to upgrade your bedroom. Smart homes are all the rage these days. From smart bulbs to high-tech kitchen appliances, the list of ways to make your home that much more techy is endless. In today's episode of TechJoint, we're bringing you smart appliances for your bedroom. Think high-tech mattresses, fancy air purifiers, and snooze-reducing alarm clocks. From gadgets that'll help you sleep soundly to ones that'll brighten and optimize your morning routine, here are 10 smart gadgets to upgrade your bedroom. Let's get started. WITHINGS Sleep Tracking Pad. Every good day starts with a restful night's sleep. So just imagine you could wake to a daily sleep score to understand what makes a good night's sleep and how you can improve each and every day. Well, now you can take charge of your sleep with a WITHINGS Sleep Tracking Pad. WITHINGS Sleep comes with many features that help you sleep better at night. For starters, it provides sleep cycles analysis, including deep light and REM sleep. It also includes snore detection, sleep apnea detection, and heart rate tracking to help fix any sleep issues you might have. All it takes is a simple one-time setup, and it automatically syncs with its patented HealthMate app through Wi-Fi. You can use the HealthMate app to find out everything about your sleep and fix it starting today. You can even follow the app's Sleep Smarter program to gradually train yourself to sleep better over time. What's more, it's compatible with if this then that integration, meaning you can sync your sleep tracking pad with home automation. You can have it turn up the thermostat when you wake up in the mornings, get it to turn off lights when you go to bed, and much more. Number 9. CLOCKY. Optimizing your sleep is great and all, but sometimes you just gotta get up no matter what. So whether you're a heavy sleeper or a serious snooze abuser, CLOCKY is the alarm on wheels here to make sure you never oversleep again. CLOCKY will let you snooze just once, but then it'll jump off your nightstand and run around your house beeping until you get out of bed and turn it off. CLOCKY can jump off nightstands up to 3 feet high and moves on both carpet and wood. It shakes, runs, changes directions, and keeps on beeping until you get up and turn CLOCKY off. CLOCKY is extremely loud. Part robot, part alarm clock, he sounds a lot like R2-D2 from Star Wars. CLOCKY is cool, fun, obnoxious, annoying, unique, a bit crazy, and guaranteed to get even the deepest sleeper up on time. As hilarious as it is, heavy sleepers say CLOCKY is the only thing that can actually get them up and moving on tired mornings. Number 8. FINGERBOT. Speaking of getting up and ready to go, sometimes we just need all the automation we can get. That's where FINGERBOT can be a serious upgrade to your bedroom and your entire home. FINGERBOT is the world's smallest robot for smartly controlling virtually any buttons and switches in your home. Simply set it up near any device with a switch or button, and FINGERBOT will do the trick using its arm. Using the app, you can remotely switch on lights in your home, or activate devices such as your vacuum with your voice. All these and more become effortless with FINGERBOT. Mount FINGERBOT to your espresso machine and prepare your coffee just the way you like it every morning. Mount FINGERBOT to your robot vacuum cleaner and ask it to do its job via the app or voice command. Mount FINGERBOT to any light switch to schedule to turn your lights on and off whenever you are. If it's got a button or switch, FINGERBOT can control it. Need a specific arm for a specific device? No worries. FINGERBOT will quickly and affordably 3D print arms in all shapes and lengths to fit whichever device you can think of. Number 7. Lua Smart Plant Pot. Bedroom plants can do more than just make your shelves look brighter. They can also boost your mood, enhance your creativity, reduce your stress levels, increase your productivity, naturally filter air pollutants, and much more. But without knowing how to care for it properly, your plant will just become a nuisance that will die on you sooner or later. That's unless you get Lua to help you. Lua is a smart plant pod that turns your plant into a cheerful pet. Using its sensors, Lua measures your plant's soil moisture, light exposure, and temperature to keep it alive and well. Based on what your plant is feeling, Lua triggers 15 different animated emotions. Just think Tamagotchi meets gardening. Lua will tell you it's thirsty when soil moisture drops below the threshold. It tells you it's sick when it's had too much water. It turns into a vampire if it hadn't gotten enough sunlight lately. It even squints if exposure to light is too strong and harmful and your plant wants some shade. And if you're more of a hard data kind of guy, Lua's phone app has got you covered with all the numbers on your plant's current status. Number 6. ATMOPH Window 2. If you're after those nature vibes, then 1 or 2 plants just won't cut it for you. So why not change the whole view of your bedroom window with the ATMOPH Window 2? ATMOPH Window is a 27-inch 4K display that looks just like a window and lets you change the view of the world whenever you want to whatever you want. With over 1,000 scenes to choose from, you can update your view as often as you want the atmosphere to match your mood. You can even live stream with locations around the world. But it's not just a bunch of images. What you see on ATMOPH are actually 4K videos. This means your view moves as it would in real life. Along with this, the window doubles as a speaker as the entire frame vibrates to deliver audio like you've never heard it. If you're not sure what atmosphere to pick, let ATMOPH do the work for you. Using its smart built-in camera which tracks your face, ATMOPH's view changes to match your current mood. The built-in camera module also doubles as a home security camera. Last but not least, the ATMOPH Window 2 also integrates with Google Assistant and Alexa for maximum productivity. Number 5. DYSON Pure Hot and Cold. While the ATMOPH Window can help seriously control the vibes in your bedroom, it's missing one key element: air. From temperature to humidity control, there's a lot you can do to optimize the oxygen in your room. So don't fill your home with unnecessary gadgets when just one will do. The DYSON Pure Humidify plus Cool 3-in-1 air purifier acts as a fan, air purifier, and humidifier all in one. Like the ATMOPH, this smart gadget uses sensors to recognize what the air in your room needs and takes care of it for you. This fan captures harmful gases and particles, all while emitting air that is both purified and humidified back into your room. The DYSON Pure uses high-efficiency particulate air and activated carbon filters to capture 99.97% of gases and particles as small as 0.3 microns. It also removes 99.9% of bacteria in your air. With this in your bedroom, you know you'll be breathing fresh and clean oxygen whenever you need it. Number 4. SENSORWAKE Trio. If you're not a fan of chasing your alarm clock down the corridor, why not take a smoother approach to getting up in the mornings and wake up to your favorite scent with the SENSORWAKE Trio smell-based alarm clock? Using its dry diffusion technology, this bedside gadget offers a wide range of smells such as coffee, peppermint, or the forest to wake you up at the exact time you need. Instead of jolting you awake, the SENSORWAKE Trio is designed to improve your mornings by waking you up 3 minutes using your favorite smell. It also uses light and melody to activate all your senses and help you wake up feeling refreshed. Each scent comes with a resealable bag, allowing you to choose a different scent whenever you want. Aside from waking you up in the morning, the SENSORWAKE Trio also helps you beat the afternoon slump. You can even use it to wake up after a power nap. Setting up the SENSORWAKE Trio is easy. Just plug it in, insert the scent, and activate the alarm. Number 3. Smart REMOTEX. Automating your life is great and all, but all those switches, buttons, and devices can get overwhelming after a while. Thankfully, there is one remote to rule them all. 7Hug Smart REMOTEX is an all-in-one controller that combines your remote with your smart home hub to manage all your smart home devices from one place. So instead of having dozens of devices to control your TV, smart lights, and other gadgets, you can stick with just one. You can turn out the lights in your child's room when it's time for them to go to bed. Or if you're that kind of parent, you can turn the lights on in your teen's room when they need to wake up. This all-in-one controller gives you a portable, simple smart home manager to turn on and off smart outlets, turn the volume up and down on your speaker, and even create custom smart scenes. These scenes let you control multiple devices with the touch of a button, creating instant ambiance. Number 2. Solstice Kinetic Clock. Throughout history, humans have measured the passing of time by tracking of stars across the sky and the passage of shadows across the ground. But in modern-day life, time and a need for absolute accuracy has become a source of stress. Solstice is here to release some of that tension by turning the passing of time into a piece of moving artwork. It turns the passing of time into something of beauty by gradually opening and closing like a flower throughout the day. You won't be able to tell the exact minute and seconds, but you will know the hour of the day. As the hour hand turns round, it pulls and pushes the wooden mechanism, causing it to gradually open and close into beautiful shapes. At midday, when the sun is higher in the sky, the clock is at its largest. At 6 p.m., when the sun is lower, the clock is at its smallest. It's truly a moving backdrop to your life, offering a more relaxed and meditative view of time. Number 1. ROBOROCK S6 Vacuum. A clean bedroom is a blissful bedroom. But who's got the time and energy to do all that cleaning on a daily basis? The ROBOROCK S6, of course. The ROBOROCK S6 Smart Robot Vacuum Mopper plans routes to clean your home faster and better than perhaps even a housekeeper could. Using adaptive routing technology, the ROBOROCK maps your home and plans the best routes to vacuum and mop your floors in succession. And regardless of its small size, the ROBOROCK has even got the suction power to pull crumbs out of a high-piled rug. Plus, this smart vacuum responds to voice control, so all you have to do is ask it to clean up when you spill that box of cereal onto your floor. If it's just liquids you're dealing with, you can, or you can even activate its smart mop abilities by telling it to clean up that spilled water or juice on the floor. And because this robot mop vacuum provides selective cleaning, you can set it to clean your whole home or just one room. The best part is how incredibly quiet the ROBOROCK S6 is. This means you can even run it when everyone in your home is sleeping, and none of the rooms in your home are being used. And that's it for today's video. If you could only get one of these gadgets to upgrade your bedroom, which one would it be? Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, then be sure to do so. And if you like the gadgets in this video, you should definitely check out our 10 gadgets that could save your life one day.